In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GoDaddy domain with Hostinger hosting. I'll point GoDaddy domain to Hostinger. We're going to point a domain you bought on GoDaddy to your Hostinger hosting by updating the domain's name servers. That tells the internet Hostinger is now responsible for your DNS, so your site and records will be managed from hPanel. Think of name servers as your domain's address book. Hostinger provides values labeled NS1, NS2, and sometimes more, like NS1 taunt Hostinger xx.com. You don't need to touch other DNS records at GoDaddy when switching name servers. Hostinger will take over DNS management once the change propagates. Sign in to your Hostinger account. In hPanel, open your hosting plan or the domains area for the site you're connecting. Find the name servers section. You'll see the exact entries assigned to you, usually at least two. Copy them carefully, character for character. Keep this tab open so you can double check them later. If there's a copy button, use it to avoid typos. If you're setting up a new plan, the name servers may also appear during the onboarding flow. Now sign in to your GoDaddy account, click your profile avatar, choose My Products, locate your domain, and if needed, click Manage All. Open that domain settings and click DNS to reach DNS management. Interfaces change over time, but you're looking for the name servers area. If you see a three-dot menu next to the domain, use it to open domain settings, then DNS. In name servers, click Change or Edit, then select Use My Own Name Servers. Paste the Hostinger name servers you copied. Include every entry Hostinger provided and remove any old ones that don't match. If GoDaddy shows fewer fields than you have entries, look for an Add Name Server option and add the extra line. Spelling matters. One wrong character can prevent your site from resolving. When everything looks right, save and confirm any prompts. DNS updates aren't instant. Many changes take effect within 2 to 4 hours, but full propagation can take up to 24 to 48 hours. During this window, it's normal for the site to be briefly unavailable or to alternate between the old and new server. You can clear your browser cache, and a public DNS checker can help you watch progress. During propagation, email routed through your domain and subdomains can also be inconsistent, which is normal until DNS finishes updating across networks. When propagation finishes, Hostinger is the authority for your domain's DNS, and you'll manage future DNS records from hPanel. That's it. Name server is updated, domain pointed, and you're ready to move forward with your site.